This is the second part of the support. You need to fix it well first, and then fix the rod in a reasonable position. If you want to adjust this part, must make sure this part is connection well. Like this. This part should be connection very well. As you can see, there is a thread in the screw. Remember to adjust it. Make sure the thread and it in the same level. It is something like the zero position. There is locking and unlocking. Now, locking position, this part is fixed and cannot be rotated. If we rotate the indication to unlocation position, now you can adjust it very well, very easy.